the district magistrate. That is stated.
I think you have to make the state a party. The prosecution, you have to make them the party, not the district
My lord, the
magistrate.
district magistrate was a complainant, my lord.
Even then, whoever is the complainant, the trial will be against the state, isn't it? Isn't it a criminal trial?
It's a
Yes.
criminal trial, my lord.
Then, who appeared in the court? The PP, most probably.
Yes, my lord.
Then, I think you have to make the state a party. So cancel that, this application, no. On, against the application dated so-and-so, okay? No, against the order dated so-and-so, that last, okay, just before issue notice. It is seen that in the instant petition / application, since this is, let me just see the parties in the case. Okay. I think the state should also be made a party as respondent number 1,
My lord.
and maybe the complainant as respondent number 2.
My lord.
Isn't it?
That should be the way.
It is seen that the state has not been made a party. I'm just seeing, let me see, in the case before the trial court, the accused is represented. And in para 21 also, before the court was the, who had appeared, the additional PP?
Learned additional PP
Yes,
and the
additional APP representing the prosecution,
yes.
isn't it? So they are the ones who appeared in the court. In view of the above, the petitioner, you withdraw it and file afresh. Isn't it? Is allowed to withdraw the instant application with a permission to file afresh by including the necessary parties in the instant criminal revision petition. Yes.
I'm obliged.
Admission, item 2.
My lord, in this case, the petitioner seeks another 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, we seek
You were supposed to file your counter affidavit, is
counter
it?
affidavit.
Or reply?
Reply.
Reply.
Not your counter.
state-
Counter has already been filed,
Filed
isn't
by
it?
the state.
Yes.
So we,
So, Mr. Jonathan L. Silo, learned counsel for the petitioner, has prayed for further time to file their reply affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by the respondents. In view of the above, list after 2 weeks.
my lord.
Item 3.
May I please, the lordship?
Yes.
This item not 3, this there is a writ appeal is pending in principle. See 2 writ appeal. Are you also, it was mentioned in the order.
It's still pending.
Yes, it is fixed on 28th of November. The writ appeal principal seat. So may I pray this matter may come for on 9th of December. 9th of December, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. S.K. Medi, learned CGC, who submits that the similar matter which is pending before the principal seat as a writ appeal is still pending. and prayed that this matter may be listed on 9th
9 December.
9 December.
Along with WPC, my lord, 18 of
What
2023.
is the appeal number?
Appeal is 265, 2023, and another 320 of 2023.
Okay. Appeal is 265/2023. Okay. So it says that a similar matter is pending in a writ appeal. Okay. Registered as 265/2023. In view of the above, list as prayed for on 9th,
My lord, this matter will come along with WPC number 18 of 23, my lord.
9/12/2024.
18 of 23, come.
Where's that 18?
18 is this similar matter, not here.
Okay, the learned, when has it been fixed? The 18th?
9th of December.
When was it
On
fixed?
same, on 9th of December, WPC 18 of 23 fixed on 9th of December.
When is 18th WPC fixed? On 9th?
Fixed on 9th of December. 9 December, my lord. 9/12/2023, 2024. My lord,
Is there a similar
it
matter
9?
pending?
Mehdi,
yes, similar.
was it fixed
similar.
today? That 18 of 23.
18, when has it been fixed?
Matter is, it was fixed today, it was in another court, but it was again fixed on 9 December.
Okay, the learned counsel submits that a similar matter which is registered as WPC 18/2024. 23 is also pending.
Yes.
And prayed that both these matters may be listed together.
There is interim order in this case, my lord. Interim may be continued.
Are there analogous matters?
Yes, analogous matter. That is analogous. 18, 32, 33, 34, 43. This is analogous.
So what
It is
about the other
lit-
cases? What about the other cases?
Other cases fixed on same issue. It is fixed on 9 December itself.
So we'll have to mention all the
Same
others
issue.
also, isn't it? Submits
Yes,
that.
yes.
Now, when is this 18 fixed? In which court?
Today it was fixed. I mentioned before this court number 2. Today it was listed. It
So
was
you
fixed
want
on
them
9
to be
December.
clubbed together?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
see.
yes, same issue.
Since they have all been listed for 18, you mentioned since they have all been listed for 9th December, you mentioned WPC
Yes.
18 on 9th. We will not mention it today. On when the matter is put up on the 9th December in the same court, and then you pray that they all be, they are analogous matters and they should be clubbed together on the 9th. Okay, not today. Okay, as prayed for, list
But
on
here
9th.
is the interim order, madam. Interim order is there in this
Which
case.
way?
Item
In
number
which
3.
case? In which case?
Today's case, before your lordship.
This
Item
one,
number 3.
57.
Yes, there is interim order.
Let me see. Don't mention 18. 18, when it comes up on 9th December, then we'll have a look at it.
There is in 2 court, the both cases sometimes listed. This is the problem, my lord. Today it is listed before 1 case before you and another 5 cases before other court.
Okay, so in the other court, you mentioned that this should be listed along. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
List on 9/12/2024. Meanwhile, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Yes. When you are physically present, we'll decide.
Yes,
on that.
yes, yes, file your. File your.
Obliged.
Item 4.
Lordship, appearing on behalf of Mr. Bilaram Engamin, since my senior is indisposed, may the matter kindly be taken up next week.
Lordship, we'll be filing our power along with our affidavit during the course of the week for respondent 5 and 6.
Respondent number?
5 and 6.
Okay, previously respondent number 5 and 6, though notice was declared to be complete, were not represented, isn't
Yes,
it?
Lordship.
Yes. Anyway, Miss
Lalmun Moy.
Lalmun Moy, yeah, are you appearing on behalf of someone or
Mr.
is your
Bilaram
name here?
Enga.
Okay,
No,
appears on behalf of Mr.
Bilaram Enga.
Bilaram Enga, learned counsel for the petitioner, while Miss
Malsom Tuangi Roy.
Malsom Pluangi submits that they have filed their PAR and will be representing respondents number 5 and 6. The learned counsel has also prayed for time to file their counter affidavit. Okay. Mr. Samuel Andarshiata Sangte, learned additional AG, is present on behalf of respondents number 1 to 4.
Yes, Your Lordship.
In view of the above submissions, list after 3 weeks for the learned counsel for respondent number 5 and 6 to file their counter affidavit.
Item 5.
My Lord, I am for the respondent number 1 and 2. I may be granted another 3 weeks' time for filing my so-called reply. My affidavit in operation.
How long are you going to take? How many times have you prayed? This is, see, in the last court date you mentioned that the draft affidavit
Yes, what's sent on
has been
13
sent
March.
for vetting.
Yes, my Lord.
So how long is it going to take?
My Lord, I already sent on March 13.
Then maybe they're not interested.
In this case, my lord, notice was issued on 17th October last year.
Oh.
And moreover, my
So
lord,
talk to them.
in this case, my lord, the basic claim is that the Land Acquisition Act of 2016 made by the Mizoram, that was, it was given in terms of that, while we are claiming for payment under the 2013 Central Act. And recently, there's a division bench judgment in the principal seat, wherein they had upheld that the Act of 2016 is
Okay.
inapplicable.
Okay, they upheld the, give me the judgment, a copy of the,
I don't have the copy with me right now. So it can be, this may be taken up next week, my lord.
yes.
It will be.
Then if the 2016 has been upheld, in spite of there being a 2013, then your prayer is what? Your submission is what?
2013.
13. But if that has been
No, my
decided,
lord. That division bench judgment is in my favor.
saying what?
They have upheld that the Act of 2016 is inapplicable.
Okay. Then we need the judgment.
Yes, madam.
isn't it? Heard Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel for the petitioner, along with Ms. Zaram Sangpui, learned CGC for the state respondents. For the respondents. Number? All the respondents?
My lord, 5 and 6, my lord.
For the respondents number 5 and 6.
I'm appearing for the state lordship,
While
Three
Ms.
and- 3 and 4.
While Mrs. Malswamy, learned government advocate for respondents number 3 and 4, appears through BC. Yes, what about, what about you, Mr.
So,
Saurabh Pradhan?
and 6, we have already filed, my lord, our affidavit.
Okay, so now Ms. Zaram Sangpui, CGC is for respondents number 1 and 2, okay? While Mr. Saurabh Pradhan appears for respondents number 5 and 6, and additional Ms. Malswamy, that is government advocate, is for respondents number 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
The learned CGC has prayed for further time to file the counter affidavit while affidavit full stop, okay? Then Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel for the petition, submits that the issue in the instant WPC, okay, writ petition has been decided by the principal bench in a judgment and order passed by the division bench, is it?
Yes, my lord.
By the court of the division bench.
I'll produce the same
He
by
therefore
this
prayed
Thursday.
that this matter may be listed in the next week. In view of the above, as prayed for, list in the next
My lord,
week?
I think we can also have it within this week, Thursday, if it is
I
convenient.
will list it next week. Okay, list in the next week on, give me a date.
11th. Monday, 11th.
Okay, on 11th. Okay, 11th, 2024.
Much obliged.
Oblige.
For order, item number 6.
Yes,
May it please, Your Lordship. My Lord, this is an appeal against money suit, wherein we are the judgment debtor, the appellants, and it has been decreed that 7,37,000 has been ordered to be paid by the senior civil judge, senior division 3. And my lord, there has been a